PowerBook G3 Wallstreet Keyboard Replacement. Replacing this keyboard is easy and takes only a few minutes. Remove both expansion bay modules using the levers on the front of the computer. Insert your index fingers inside the expansion bays and search for the two ribbed tabs on the underside of the upper case. The tabs are located near the bottom corners of the keyboard. Pull the tabs toward yourself and the keyboard will pop up. Pull the keyboard forward to disengage the tabs holding it and back and rotate it toward you. Rest the keyboard on the trackpad. This is a diagram of the ribbon clamp connectors you will disconnect in the next step. 1. With your fingernails, grasp the locking bar on either side and pull up a small amount, about 1/16 or 2 millimeters. 2. After disengaging the locking bar, slide the cable out of the connector. Disconnect the two keyboard connectors by disengaging the clamps and pulling the ribbons directly upward. Slide a spudger downward between each plastic strain relief cable and the wall of the case in order to bow out the cable beyond the small tab holding it in place. Once the strain relief cables are free, lift the keyboard off. Your laptop should look approximately like this.